If you're experiencing connection errors while playing Baldur's Gate 3, follow these steps to troubleshoot and improve your connection. These quick fixes can help you get back into the game smoothly. Step 1. Check server status. Visit the official Baldur's Gate 3 website or social media channels to see if there are any ongoing server issues. If the servers are down, you may need to wait until they are back online. Step 2. Restart your game. Close Baldur's Gate 3 completely and restart it. This can refresh your connection and resolve minor glitches that may be causing the errors. Step 3. Check your internet connection. Ensure that your internet connection is stable. You can do this by running a speed test or trying to connect to other online services. If your connection is weak, consider resetting your router. Step 4. Update your game. Make sure that you have the latest version of Baldur's Gate 3 installed. Check for updates on your gaming platform and install any available patches to fix known issues. Step 5. Adjust firewall and antivirus settings. Sometimes, your firewall or antivirus software can block the game's connection. Check your settings to ensure that Baldur's Gate 3 is allowed through your firewall and not being blocked by your antivirus. By following these steps, you should be able to resolve connection errors and enjoy playing Baldur's Gate 3 without interruptions. If problems persist, consider reaching out to customer support for further assistance.